All right, what's up? I just want to do a quick video and show you guys the solar panel setup I have on my SUV, because it's a really simple setup that I think most people could easily throw together, and I don't know why more people don't do this. It works really well for short and even long-term traveling. So I've got an old Thule roof box up here. I've got a 50 watt and 100 watt panel. Wire runs right down through the side of the truck into the tail light, and sorry, I'm on the front camera. It actually comes out the side here, right? And then it plugs directly into a Jackery. So I've got a 500 watt here, I've got a 300 watt there. My original setup was a 100 watt panel and the 300 watt Jackery. However, then I went on another trip and I upgraded and added a fridge. I don't know if you can see it up there in the passenger seat area. And in order to run that full time, I had to add 500 watt and the 50 watt panel. So that runs my fridge full time, the 500 watt. And if I plug it in, you'll see it'll start pulling in watts. Boom, simple enough. Plugs directly in. There's no inverter, nothing like that. It plugs directly from solar panels into the Jackery. It's really fucking simple. And you could do just the 150 watt panels and the 500 watt Jackery. You don't need the 300. I just have the 300 because I originally had that and I wasn't going to get rid of it because why not? So it's just auxiliary power. And then I got a fridge up here in the passenger seat. Really simple. But yeah, it's a great system. It's not like cheap. I wouldn't call it cheap because the Jackery is expensive. But it is simple. It's easy. It's also modular. You're able to remove it from the truck very easily, right? Like I could pull this box off and I pull the Jackery out and the whole system's basically out of my truck. So it's really great for anybody who wants a hybrid vehicle. This is my daily driver and also my weekend travel truck. So yeah, really cool setup. Highly recommend.